I'm Maggie Joubert. I'm working for Incanda Furniture and I'm the factory manager here at Incanda. Quality is very important to Incanda. We have a very strict quality control system, as well as our after service is something out of the books. We always come back to our clients and really help to give them the quality that they expect of us, because our quality needs to last for years. We often find it hard with some of our suppliers to get the products and the service we want. But with Worth, we have one call, there's one rep, there's one website that we use, and we always get it on time. Worth is reliable. Their rep is reliable, their products are reliable, their service are reliable. To be in manufacturing, you need reliable suppliers, and that is what we have in Worth. If everybody can be like Arno with his service, which is always friendly and which is always trustworthy, and when Arno walks in, we like to see him as a rep. So I think he nailed it as a sales rep. We have an acronym at Incanda which says I serve, and it goes as follows: integrity, creativity, accountability, respect and excellence. It looks like Worth and Incanda align with their value systems that we have. If you go around in the factory and ask anybody at the factory if they like to come to work, they will say yes. And I think that in itself says a lot about our values that we really honor at Incanda. Because we want to be the best furniture manufacturer in South Africa, we need the best tools. And that is why we use Worth.